Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a gorgeous top-of-the-line model here. This is the GMC Sierra Denail HD. So this is a 2500. This is four-wheel drive. It's all powered by the 6.0 Vortec engine. Very good, 500,000 mile motor. Just excellent truck here, and it is the top trim level package, being the Denail, and she is gorgeous. Personally, I've driven this vehicle for quite some time now, and I can report back no issues of any kind. It's very beautiful, very clean, very well kept vehicle. Comes with tinted windows, these beautiful XD GMC wheels, and it has open country Toyo tires all the way around, and they are brand new, so no problems there. You don't have to worry about tires for quite a long time with this one. It has beautiful clean and clear headlights. It also has fog lights. It has the front tow, receiver tow hooks on each side here, and the beautiful front chrome grille. Nice big GMC emblem on there. And then there is where the magic happens, the 6.0 Vortec engine. Very good. She starts up, runs, drives beautifully, straight down the road. Brakes are brand new, so no problems here. This is a turnkey truck. Comes with a nice bug shield on the front, the nice Vortec hood vent there. Really looks slick on this truck. Has the chrome door handles, front and rear, and then it has the chrome side step on the running boards, so it makes that large step inside the cab nice and easy. Comes with four-wheel disc brakes. Also has the towing package. Full leather interior with wood grain trim. Has dual heated seats, AC in the seats as well too. Nice sound system, factory quality of GMC. Smoke and pet free interior, original owner's manual, full power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, as well as a sunroof, large center console storage, keyless entry, dual cup holders, and a little storage tray there. This has dual climate control, traction control, power gas and brake pedals. It has parking assist, so it has the beeper in it, you know, when you're backing the truck up. Dual connectivity for charging ports. Auxiliary is located up here. It has the full navigation system. OnStar, HomeLink, and the sunroof switches are there. Absolutely beautiful. Leather's in excellent condition on the truck as well too. Nice clean perforated supple leather throughout. And then for the back we have a dual cup holder, another charging port, and then a fold down armrest with dual cup holders. And these rear seats also fold up if you need more storage in the back of the cab. No dings, dents, scratches down the whole side of the truck. This is absolutely a stunning Arctic white GMC Sierra. Comes with the factory mud guards. As you can see, the parking sensors throughout, located on 4 different points of the rear bumper. Really does help when backing up this vehicle. As you can see, it comes with the tow package, spare tire, rear backup camera, and then we have a vinyl tonneau cover. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful truck. This is a nice brushed silver Denail kick panels. And I can confidently say it is going to be the most inexpensive GMC Denail in the country. So if you're looking for the best deal you can find it right here. This beautiful GMC Denail offered exclusively by us, Meticulous Motors. So a master control switch for power windows, locks, mirrors, and then it has power folding side view mirrors. So with the push of the button, fold in mirrors. We also have the turn signals in the side view mirrors. And then memory seats as well too, so that's a nice handy feature. Coming into the driver's side, we have our headlights, fog lights, interior illumination, and four-wheel drive controls. All work flawlessly. WeatherTech floor mats for the front. Nice leather wrap steering wheel with a steering wheel cover that does match the wood grain trim. I do like that. The nice Denail logo here, and all the steering wheel paneling here is really in good condition. It has a heated steering wheel as well as cruise control. And then it also has all your volume controls for the stereo. Our combination switches include interval wipers with spray, and then our towing package here, as well as more towing output here. So you can adjust that custom settings. Truck fires up, no problems, no warning lights on the dash. Good oil pressure, good battery voltage, coolant temperature is perfect. And there you have it. 250,000 miles. You got plenty of life left to go, don't worry. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, AC's ice cold. See that nice clean dash up here. And then our auto dimming rear view mirror with our OnStar map lighting here. One touch sunroof open. Dual vanity mirrors with working lights. And even for the rear, no problems. Flawless truck. Everything's working flawlessly. As you can see, our navigation system, putting it into reverse. Backup camera flawless. You can hear the parking sensors functioning. So no problems there. And this is a touchscreen stereo, so you can customize settings and also have XM equipped if you have the account. So there you have it. Perfect GMC Denali. Also comes with this bully dog monitoring system. This does help with driving efficiency, so that's about a $400 add-on, so that is included with the truck as well too. So don't sleep on this GMC Denail. If you're looking for a beautiful HD 2500 truck for a really great price, come check us out, offering you the best of the best when it comes to used vehicles on the west coast of Florida. Come down and see us here. MeticulousMotorsInc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.